What's going on, guys? I've never done a retail arbitrage session in this store called London Drugs, but today is a first for everything.
For the clearance section, where is the clearance section?
Yes, London Drugs is more about yellow price tags and discounts, kind of a daily discount thing, than they are about clearance sections. I don't see one yet.
Discounts off retail on like toys and what have you. So if we scan some of these, maybe they'll show a good profit on. For example, like this toy, it's damaged though, but $19.99 on for $3.99 off. It's not really repairable. Probably hard to resell that on.
Last time I was in this store, I did buy a bunch of stuff and kind of made the error of not checking it over first, and ended up buying a bunch of stuff that were like returns, missing pieces, packages were broken, and ultimately took the hit because I couldn't send it to Amazon.
This I bought at Dollarama for $4. Here they're selling for $8.99.